Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's topic is we'll discuss a quite interesting scenario, which is like the how many products are unsold. Okay, it means that those are the items without the sales. Those are the items we need to count it. Here, the measure which I will place it is quite simple if you understand that. But basically, I'll set up something in a page, like that is the page name itself is a product analysis. So we'll do just create a simple bar chart, and along with that, the very important thing is the we'll create a heat map out of that. So that is most important part here. Okay, so let's discuss how to do that and what exactly I am trying to say here. So to count the product unsold, right? So before to that, I just want to show you my model. It's very simple, like the products, customer, and sales. Okay, that's it. Nothing else is there. So if you see the data, customer, my product, and my sales, and there is a date table will be there. Okay. So now let's say first of all, I want to create a measure where I want to calculate item without sales. Okay. So here I will say first of all I need to count, right, how many items are sold. Then I will calculate the total number of items and I will just do a subtract from the out of this. It's a very simple, right? So I say where the item sold. How many items got sold? So for that I will say distinct count of my product key which is available on the sales table rather than the product. Then I can say we where total items. It will be just how many totals items are there. I have the count rows from my product table. Okay, then I say where v result equals to the total items minus v items sold. Okay, then I can say return v result. Enter. Okay, now I commit to the formula. Now take in this first one, I will take my, let's take the month name. Okay, and I can say I'll take my item without sales. Alright, so I've just selected one of the subcategory. For that, these are the items were unsold or on each and every month. Okay, and suppose you selected September, then you will get this many items. Okay, so anyway, I'm selecting for everything, so it will be like for each and every month you are getting the count here. Okay, alright, so this one is very straightforward, but this will not show you the where the number of item is not sold. Suppose you want to say I want to show the blank sales. If the items is without sales, I want to say 0, something like that, right? So there is another way to create this, and which will be elegant way. Okay, so again I will create another measure where I'll say item sales without item without sales. Okay, item without sales version 1. Okay, another version I'm creating. Here say calculate, I'll say count rows of your product. It will just count the number of products. Okay, then it will take the filter. What it will do, it will filter the product with what of the sales I have. So I have my net sales here. Net sales equals to blank. Right, so it will just go to each and every record of the product table and it will find out where the sales is blank, and for that it will just count it and it will give the data. Okay, simple. Okay, so here this is my v1. I'll just put it here, and if you see uh, both the data are same. Okay, but this one still it is a count rows, right? So I can do one thing, because if you are doing a count rows directly, I can remove the calculate directly here. Okay, and instead of that, instead of all these things, I can directly do a count rows of this table itself. This is also will work out. Same output, no calculate and all. And this one, if you want to more elegation here, you can say is blank. I have a dedicated function for that. Is blank, then net sales. Same, net sales equals to blank, and net sales or net sales equals to blank or is blank. Right? That's fine. So this is about your item without the sales, or the number of products which is unsold. So this is the formula. But after that, we will plot a graph here, okay, with a good visualization. Let's see. So I'm taking the name and my the item without sales, and let's take it as a clustered column chart. Okay, right, and I have the value center here, which is good to me. Yeah, so this is fine. Now on the below, I will create a heat map. Okay, so heat map in the sense what I'll take inside that. I will take product wise. Okay, I will take the product name, then I will take my product size. Okay, then I will take my product detail. These are the endpoints, and finally I will take the items without and without sales. I have calculated two. The first, take the normal one and see what is happening. Okay, and the column I want to put by month column. So there is a month sort column I have, which is nothing but the abbreviation column, like January, February, and all with the 3 digits. That I will take it here. So this is the one. Okay, so I am take it item this one. But here it is saying that it is 0, 0, and all, right? So instead of that, if I used the elegant way, which is nothing but my item without sales version here, just give me a second. Item without sales version 1, I think. You see, these are the blanks now, right? So how to fill this value as a 0? So I'll give a trick to here. So go to this formula, items by value. Whenever you need a 0, whenever there is a blank, at the end of the measure, just put it plus 0. Okay, then you will get each and item as a 0 here. This is one of the tool. Alright, now one more way, just expand it here. Expand it. It will just expand here. Okay, so now it is done. Now we will start creating a what do you call it? A heat map. So how we will create the heat map here? So we will go to the item sales by V1, click on the conditional formatting, click on the background color, give a rules. Okay, based on that is equals to 1, then let it be the red color, because 1 means there is no sales. Okay, and putting one more row here, which is equals to 0, which is number again. For that I will take the green color, because for that the sales happened. So this is my background color. I will get some background color here. So I will paint again the same color with the font, so that it will looks like a heat map, and there will be no data, but it will be there, the data will be there, but it should not showcase. So again I will go to the conditional formatting. This time I will go to the font color and select the same thing, whatever I selected on the background color. Okay, equals to 1, the number. I can say more colors. I can take a red color here. Okay, then I will take a new color, equals to 0, number. I will take the green color, green color. I will take the green color here. Okay, fine. Now if you see this data, it looks like a hyphen. So wherever there is a green, these are those who have the sales. Okay, and all the reds where the product got unsold. So this is the one of the visualization we can do it for your analysis. Okay, so hope you like this video. Do subscribe to this channel for more interesting video, and please subscribe to this channel so that it will be get better reach and better content, and it will be helpful for everybody. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.